Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working in IT, you must have already heard this. Layoffs are happening everywhere. 2025 has become one of the hardest years for tech employees. Big companies like IBM, Amazon, Meta, Google, and even Indian IT companies like TCS, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra are cutting thousands of jobs. In this October month only, more than 1.5 lakh tech employees lost their jobs. So what's really going on? Is it because of recession or is AI taking over human work? Let's understand this clearly today. What's happening, why it's happening, and how you can save your career. First, let us understand why are layoffs happening. So, in fact, companies are not shutdowning, they are making changes. They are using AI and automation to do more work with few people. For example, IBM said they won't hire back 8,000 roles because AI tools can do that work. And Amazon companies automating warehouses. So it's not about losing money, it's about saving time and cost. So this is the new business model, fewer people, more automation. Now let's talk about what is the exact role of artificial intelligence nowadays. So the main reason behind many layoffs, artificial intelligence only. Earlier, we can complete the task like testing, documentation, or basic coding needed humans. But now, AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and ServiceNow virtual agent can do many of those tasks automatically. They can write code, create test cases, summarize reports, and even handle customer issues. That means companies need fewer people for the same amount of work. But remember this, AI will not replace humans who know how to use AI. It will replace those who don't learn it. Now let's talk about, is there any impact on Indian IT companies? India has been the IT hub of the world of the years. Our advantage used to be lower cost and skilled manpower. But now AI is making that cost gap smaller. A report says Indian IT revenue might drop 8 to 10% in the next few years because of automation. TCS has already cut around 12,000 to 30,000 jobs. Wipro and Tech Mahindra slowed down hiring, and freshers are waiting for joining letters for last 2 years onwards. So the message is simple. What worked in the past will not work in the EAAs. Now let's talk about which jobs are most likely to go away. Manual testing without automation, basic front-end skills like just writing static pages, L1 and L2 support roles, repetitive data entry or documentation. Basically, if your work follows fixed steps every day, AI can easily do it. And you can also notice that there are many new roles are growing fast. So here are the areas still in high demand. Those are nothing but artificial intelligence and machine learning integration, cloud and DevOps engineer, cybersecurity experts, data engineers and analysts, solution architects who design big systems, okay, and also web developer like full stack developers. So these are the roles where companies still need smart human brain. So if you are watching video and you are worried, what should I do now? So the first step is how to learn new skills, something feature proof like cloud, AI or data engineer, okay. Even learning prompt engineering or automation tools can help you, and build your personal brand. So whatever you preparing is a practical thing, so you just post on LinkedIn and share your projects, learning and thoughts, okay, on the LinkedIn post, and definitely people will notice. And my final concluding words are, many experts are saying that even big tech leaders like Satya Nadella and Sundar Pichai have said it, AI will not replace people, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. So don't fear it, learn it, even if you are working in the HR department or testing or support. So you have to learn the relevant AI tools and make your work faster and start using them and stay ahead. So here my final message is, layoffs don't mean the end of your career. They mean the start of your transformation. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep showing your value. If you want more latest technical informative videos like this, then follow our byluckysir YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.